From silent stage to Kindle King, Charlie's journey. Charlie the Mime was known for his captivating performances, mesmerizing audiences with his silent yet powerful expressions. He could convey emotions and tell stories without uttering a word, making every gesture and movement count. Yet his creative spirit longed for a wider audience, a platform where his art could reach beyond the stage. In 2025, he discovered Amazon KDP. It was a revelation. A new world of possibilities opened up for him. He saw a chance to turn his unique performance ideas into books, blending his mime artistry with the written word. He started by writing short, illustrated guides on mime techniques, sharing his expertise with aspiring performers. He poured his heart into each page, ensuring every detail was perfect and every illustration captured the essence of mime. He wanted to share the joy of mime with the world, hoping to inspire others through his books. He knew he needed a strategy to stand out in the crowded marketplace, so he meticulously planned his approach. That's when he discovered the power of niche targeting, focusing on a specific audience who would appreciate his unique art form. Charlie's journey wasn't about overnight success. It was a long road filled with late nights and continuous learning. It was about dedication, learning, and adapting, constantly evolving to meet the demands of his new audience. He treated his KDP venture as a business, applying the same discipline and creativity that he did in his performances. This approach, combined with his authentic voice, set the stage for an inspiring success story, proving that passion and perseverance can lead to greatness. Finding gold in niches, how specificity attracted readers. Charlie realized that targeting everyone meant reaching no one. He was trying to appeal to a broad audience, but found it challenging to stand out. He honed in on specific niches, understanding that a focused approach could yield better results. Instead of Mime for beginners, he created titles like Mime for introverts and Mime for stage fright. This strategy was key to his success. By targeting specific hobbies and interests, Charlie connected with the right readers who were genuinely interested in his content. His books appeared in targeted searches on Amazon, making it easier for his audience to find him. This led to more visibility and sales, as his books were now reaching the right people. He didn't need a huge audience, just the right readers who loved his content and were passionate about the niche topics. This laser focus on niche markets proved incredibly effective, allowing him to build a loyal following. It allowed Charlie to stand out in a sea of books, making his work easily recognizable. It also allowed him to connect with readers on a deeper level, creating a meaningful impact through his specialized content. Facebook ads on a budget. Reaching the right audience. Marketing was essential, but Charlie had a limited budget. He turned to Facebook ads. He targeted his ads precisely, focusing on groups and interests related to his niches. He tested different ad copy and images to see what worked best. He didn't spend huge amounts on advertising. Instead, he focused on targeted campaigns. This approach proved to be cost-effective. It drove traffic to his Amazon book pages, increasing visibility and sales. He tracked his ad spend carefully, monitoring every dollar. This ensured he was getting a return on his investment, maximizing his budget. Charlie proved that even with a limited budget, strategic marketing can make a difference. He focused on quality over quantity, ensuring every dollar he spent counted, making his efforts truly worthwhile. Building a loyal following, the power of email for authors. Charlie knew that one-time buyers were good, but repeat customers were gold. He started building an email list from day one. He offered a free Mime guide in exchange for email sign-ups. This strategy helped him build a loyal following. He sent out regular newsletters with valuable content, exclusive offers, and behind-the-scenes glimpses into his creative process. His subscribers felt like they were part of his journey. This fostered a strong sense of community. His email list became a direct line to his readers. It allowed him to build relationships, promote his books, and generate consistent sales. Have you tried building an email list? Share your experiences or questions in the comments below. And don't miss our other videos for more tips and strategies on self-publishing. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated.